Important news, XRP from Ripple has done something that couldn't be done overnight. The price went through the roof and reached an unbelievable $25,000. This shocked everyone in the cryptocurrency world. People who held on to their XRP are now making huge gains, while people who didn't believe it are trying to figure out what happened. What caused this sudden rise? Did XRPs go through the roof because of a big discovery, a secret deal, or a change in the economy? It's not just another pump and dump story. There's a big event going on behind the scenes, and this price drop could have a lasting effect on the future of cryptocurrency. Stay with me as I reveal the shocking truth about XRP's huge rise, what caused it, and whether this is the start of an even bigger financial change. The crypto market woke up to a shocking fact. In just a few hours, XRP hit an all-time high of $25,000. It's not a small jump or a slow rise. What we're talking about is a huge jump that broke all expectations and shocked both individual buyers and banks. For years, XRP has been a controversial asset that has had to deal with legal problems, skepticism, and changes in the market. But everything changed overnight. People who trade in stocks were shocked as the price went through hurdles that no one thought were possible. People who invested a few cents are now looking at huge gains that could change their lives. This surge is having an effect on the whole crypto space. Now the real question is, what caused this historic change in prices? Did XRP move into a new league because of a sudden influx of institutional investment, a long-awaited regulation win, or a strong financial force? The answer is even more shocking than you think, and it all comes down to one big thing that caused this rise. Let us look into the real reason for XRP's swift rise. So what exactly caused the price of XRP to rise so quickly? There isn't just one reason for this. A lot of things happened at the same time, making it possible. First, governmental clarity, which is the biggest game changer. After years of court cases, XRP was finally found not to be a security by a major court decision. This decision got rid of one of the biggest problems that was stopping XRP from taking off, which quickly restored trust among investors and financial institutions. As soon as the decision was made public, there was a huge demand for XRP, and the price went through the roof. That's not all, though. There were rumors that a number of banks and other financial institutions around the world have been working behind the scenes to add XRP to their payment systems. A document that got out showed that big players like central banks were planning to use XRP for cross-border transactions. This would make it an important part of the global banking system. Big buyers rushed in as soon as word got out, which drove the price even higher. One more thing, there was a sudden surge of whale behavior. Crypto whales, or people who hold a lot of XRP, started making big trades, possibly because they were waiting for big news. Smaller buyers followed the huge amounts of money coming into the market, which caused a domino effect that pushed XRP to new heights. Also, don't forget about the business as a whole. Investors are looking to crypto as a safe haven because they are worried about inflation, unstable banks, and growing mistrust in traditional finance. XRP is useful in the real world and is becoming more popular. It became a popular choice. All of these things came together to make a once-in-a-lifetime event, a governmental win, institutional adoption, and huge investor demand. But the big question is whether XRP can keep going in this direction or whether this is just a short-term rise. Let us look more closely at what comes next. The meteoric rise of XRP isn't just about price, it's also about what it means for the future of global banking. Ripple has been building a network for years that will change the way money moves between countries. Bitcoin is often thought of as digital gold, but XRP was made for real-world deals, which makes it one of the most useful cryptocurrencies out there. Old-fashioned banking methods are slow, expensive, and not up to date. It can take days and cost a lot of money to send money to another country. That changes with Ripple's tech. With XRP, transactions happen almost instantly, don't cost a cent, and banks don't have to use old payment methods like SWIFT. Because of this, big banks have been quietly putting Ripple's answers into their systems behind the scenes. Now, though, this is where things get interesting. With this quick price rise, XRP is no longer just a tool for banks. It has become an asset for people around the world. Some experts think that if a lot of people use XRP, it could become a bridge currency for central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. This would make it possible for different national currencies to work together easily. That would make XRP more than just another cryptocurrency. It would be an important part of the world's banking system. Now that governments, banks, and other financial institutions are beginning to take XRP seriously, it will play a bigger part in the future of finance than ever before. But since the price of XRP has gone up so quickly, many people are wondering if it can stay at this level or if a drop is on the way. This could be the start of something much bigger for XRP. Let's look into what comes next. At $25,000, XRP is at its all-time high. Everyone wants to know if it will stay that way or if a big change is on the way. In the past, we know that after sharp price increases, prices often go back down. Early investors start selling when the price of an object goes up too quickly. This can cause a wave of selling. Some experts think that the price of XRP could drop for a short time before it settles at a new price floor. But if more institutions start to use XRP as a payment currency and the number of users keeps growing, it's possible that this new price level will lead to an even bigger move. The state of the crypto market as a whole is another thing to think about. XRP could stay strong if Bitcoin and other big cryptocurrencies keep going up. On the other hand, XRP could become volatile if regulatory uncertainty returns or if big players decide to sell off their shares. The opinions of experts are mixed. Some people think that XRP could keep going up if more people use it, but others are warning that this rise might not last. One thing is certain though, from now on, XRP is more than just another altcoin. As the business world changes, it has become an important player, and how long it lasts will depend on how quickly banks, governments, and big investors add it to their systems. What should buyers do? Should they hold, buy more, or cash out? That depends on how willing a person is to take risks. There are people who think this is the start of a long-term bull run, and people who would rather lock in their gains. No matter what, there's still a lot more to come for XRP. The next few weeks could show whether this was a one-time thing or the beginning of a new era in banking. One thing is for sure, a new chapter in crypto history has begun, and XRP is at the head of it. Let's talk about what you should watch in the next few days, though, before we end. The sudden rise of XRP to $25,000 has shocked the crypto world and shown that anything is possible in this quick-moving market. Whether this rise is the start of a new financial change or just a short-term break, one thing is for sure. Ripple and XRP are now the most talked about financial topics in the world. The future of money might be changing right now as banks, other businesses, and even governments begin to take XRP seriously. What will happen next? Will the market slow down XRP's steady rise, or will it keep going up? How investors, financial experts, and even officials respond to this historic rise will be very important in the days to come. If more institutions say they will accept, or if something else big comes along, the peak may not have been seen yet, but if there is a decline, it will show whether XRP